Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be about how I made my faux fur headband. So if you guys want to know how I did that, keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. So you're going to need faux fur. I got mine from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need some measuring tape, some elastic bands, a glue gun and glue sticks, needle and thread, and scissors. Now we're going to start off by measuring out the width of the band. I wanted mine to be about 4 inches or so. You can have yours thicker if you want to, but 4 inches was a good preference for my forehead. And I'm just gonna make a couple marks so I can remember where I need to cut. So along with measuring the width, I'm going to measure the length, which is about 12 inches in the front of my forehead to the back. Please be mindful that this faux fur does shed once you cut it, so you will need a lint roller close by. And I'm just going to continue to measure down the faux fur headband, and I'm going to cut the same length piece for the back inside of the headband. Now here you're going to line up the faux fur with the fur all facing in one direction, and you're going to use the hot glue gun on the back end of the strip, and then you're going to place the other piece of the faux fur headband against that glue area, and then you're just going to press down. And I would like extra security with my things, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew a knot on the ends just to give it a little bit of extra security, just for my personal preference. You don't have to do this step. This is optional after you hot glue gun it. Now what you're going to need next is your elastic band, and you just want to measure out a couple of pieces for the inside so that when you put the headband on, that it gives it a stretch for your head so it's not so tight on your head. So I just flip the headband inside out, and I'm going to measure about 3 different size pieces that I want to secure the headband to give it a good firm fit, but also give it some flexibility on my head so it's not too tight, because if your headband is extremely tight, you will get a headache from wearing this item. So yeah, please be mindful of the tightness that you do on your headband. So what I'm gonna do is sew down each corner of the elastic band to the headband, and I'm not gonna hot glue gun the elastic band to the fur headband, because once the glue dries, that will take away from the stretchiness and the elasticity of the elastic band, so that kind of prevents the purpose of even putting one on there. So I don't recommend hot glue gunning the elastic band down to the fur headband. I recommend that you sew it. As you can see, all I did was sew down the 4 corners on each individual elastic band strip on the back of the faux fur headband. Alright, so I've sewn down all of the elastic band on the headband, and as you see, it's very durable, it's very stretchy, and it's so cute. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.